Hi, I'm grateful, and this is fourth day of me making my videos every day. Um, Getting in the hang of it. I'm out here um, next to the house that I keep talking about when I first came here that I'm moving into, and doing some work. Here, let me show you. Those of you who know this place, there's a house. If you notice, this is all cleaned up. And the big one is over there. That used to be a whole bunch of brush coming out to almost where that red barrel is, but yet I've been cleaning all that brush out and burning it right there. Um, yeah, this place is really cleaning up good. It's taken a while. It's hoping to be into this place by now, but first we had all sorts of water problems. Now we have problems with the electricity. So it's all good. Things are coming right along. So yeah, I just wanted to do a check-in here today. Day 4, doing my videos, and pretty soon I will be making videos and broadcasting from in there. And for now, from the beautiful outdoors, here, take a look at that. Isn't that amazing? And as always, I'm grateful.